What did it do, YouTube? Boy, Flex back here again with another video, man. Today's video, I'm about to be installing a little gift from my boy, Stefan. Hella horns. About to be installing them in my 2019 Honda Accord. So let's get straight into it. This is gonna be a little before. I'm gonna be installing them just so they can be seen right behind the grill. So I'm about to bring the car into the shop and get straight into it. Monster truck, bag life. So first, wanna pop your hood. And once you pop the hood, you're gonna want to take off all of these clips up top, and these clips go into the. These clips hold this into place. So I'm gonna set the car up on the lift and then show you guys further. I got all the clips off up top. So next, put the car in the ear, and once the car in the ear, man, let's show them. Once the car's in the air, I'm gonna show you guys take off next. Hey guys, I've got to show you guys what I'm installing. I'm installing these right here. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, man. Brand new, man.
That's just about to be fine.
Alright, so there's gonna be 3 screws here and 1 clip that you have to remove on the side, on each side, and I'll show you what you take off underneath next to remove the bumper. Alright, so underneath my car, I have underglow in this lip that I bolted. I bolted it. I didn't screw it, I bolted it. So I'm gonna try to take the bumper off by leaving this on, but normally you guys would just take off all these clips right here and just pop the bumper off. Unplug your fog lights. Yeah, so I'm about to try to finesse this off and then show you guys how to hook up the horns. Alright guys, just like that, the bumper is off. You just unplug the fog light connector. This one fucking broke off the bumper, so gonna have to figure that out. Alright guys, bumper's off. So here is the factory horn location. So I'm gonna go on ahead and unplug that. Unplug this one as well, and I'm gonna assume the white is power, the black is ground. Same on this side. So basically I want the horns, let me show you guys. Basically the horns are gonna be like that. So you get the picture. So I'm about to unbolt this and then try to figure out how to mount it right here. Let's see. Alright guys, so basically there's a 10mm right there, okay? You see the headlight 10mm, there's another one directly next to it. So what I'm gonna do is take off this bracket right here. Take off this bracket right here. Extend it onto this one, and so like that, and then I'm gonna extend that so it goes into that hole right there and it mounts like that. So as you can see right back there, so basically sandwiching it in there and then run power and ground to that. They came with the wires already, so I'm just about to hardwire it and solder it to the factory harness. So let me go find some heat shrink. Alright guys, so this is basically how my boy told me to do it. So I gotta straighten this out. So I'm gonna loosen that and straighten that so it's perfectly. And then we're gonna get that into that hole right there. Alright guys, so you see? That's the bracket that I extended. And it goes right there into the hole. And it's gonna sit like that. Follow me? And then it's completely visible behind your grill. Alright guys, so that's how it's gonna look. I had to extend the wire to here. Yes, you should butt connect these, but I used fucking heat shrink and electrical tape and zip tied that shit. Use butt connectors if you have it, but that's how it's gonna look. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like after I put the bumper back on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick video for the install. I just left the shop. I'm about to head to my boy's house. Some bullshit that's happened. I popped my trunk to show somebody at work the recent work I just did, to notice one of the legs on my air tank, the weld broke. So Dan got a 5-gallon tank he said I could come have, so I might as well pick that up. Let some more shit happen, bro. I swear to God, bro. I'm gonna sell these bags and go back on coilovers, bro. I don't got time for no fucking, bro. Comment, like, and subscribe, man.